In this video, we will explore the legal ramifications that U.S. citizens might face when driving with non-citizens who may be in the country illegally. It's crucial to understand that unknowingly transporting undocumented individuals can lead to serious legal consequences. In this video, we will cover several important topics: legal considerations for the driver, advice for U.S. citizens, state laws and precautions, and the importance of seeking legal counsel. Let's discuss the legal considerations for drivers when it comes to transporting non-citizens who may be undocumented. It's important to know what obligations you have and the risks involved. As a driver, you are not obligated to reveal your passenger's immigration status during a traffic stop. While law enforcement can question all occupants, invoking your Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination is still an option, bearing in mind it may not halt further investigation. Additionally, while there's potential for passengers to be detained if found undocumented, this doesn't automatically implicate the driver. For any further action, law enforcement requires reasonable suspicion or probable cause. Now it's time for a quick quiz. What legal right can drivers invoke to avoid incriminating themselves and their passengers? Here are the options. A. Fourth Amendment right to privacy. B. Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. C. First Amendment right to free speech. D. Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. This allows drivers to avoid revealing information that could implicate themselves or their passengers. Multiple states, especially in the southern U.S., have established laws that criminalize the transportation of undocumented individuals. Even if you don't cross state or international borders, you may face substantial fines and imprisonment depending on the state. A crucial factor is whether the driver had knowledge or reckless disregard of the passenger's immigration status. For individuals driving in the U.S., here are some prudent pieces of advice. First, follow traffic laws strictly as it minimizes encounters with law enforcement. Second, verify your passenger's legal status and their identification. Third, if you're unsure about a passenger's immigration status, it's best to avoid driving them. Lastly, should you face legal issues regarding your passenger's status, seek immediate legal counsel to ensure you have the best possible guidance. It's crucial to understand that laws regarding the transportation of non-citizens can vary at the state level, and the federal guidelines are subject to changes. It's always wise to stay informed about any updates. In situations of legal uncertainty regarding your passenger's status, consulting legal counsel is advisable for receiving specific advice pertinent to your circumstances. Before we end, let's emphasize an important disclaimer. This video's content is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as a substitute for professional legal advice. It's always recommended to consult legal counsel specific to your situation and state. That wraps up our video on driving with non-citizens and the legal considerations. We'd love to know your thoughts, so please share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.